PV rather back on Knowledge Science, and today we are going to learn about buoyancy. Buoyancy is the upward force applied on an object depending on its mass with respect to the medium it is moving in. We will demonstrate buoyancy by using these three balls. These three balls, I'm going to start the simulation. So these three balls are having different densities. This is the most dense, this is the least dense, this has the exact density of air. So A is the medium here, and water can also be a medium for things to travel in. So let us see. The grey one has the exact density of air. The dark grey one has the regular algodoo density, and then the white one will have the density which is lighter than the air, like helium. So when I release this, it will fall like this. This is not glued, I am just showing you. This is not glued to the background. That's why I am able to move it around. So now we have this. Object A has density 0.1 kg per square meter, and object B has density 6 kg per 6 kilograms per square meter. So when I drop these two into this, you will expect that this one will obviously sink and this one will float. Why? Because the buoyant pressure on object A is more than the gravitational force, so it floats. Meanwhile, object B has more density as compared to the water, so it will sink. Wrong. Because it has more density, it will sink, because it has more weight than the water and it also has more density, so the gravitational force increases because it has more density, and this has the more buoyant forces acting on it. To visualize it, here it is. So in the case of the object B, you will have more gravitational force, as the higher density means higher weight, and meanwhile this object A has lower density, that means lower weight. There is more buoyant forces acting upon object A as compared to object B. In object B, there is more gravitational force, so it will be pushed down. Meanwhile, there are more buoyant forces on object A, so it will be pushed up. This is buoyancy. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, everyone.